Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through on the process on how to install and set up your app, Location Creator Action Automation for workflow. Once you're on your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Click on Install and you choose an account where you want to install it. Then you click on Continue and you head over to Allow and Install and you click on it. A page with a custom menu link is going to pop up right over here. Copy the custom menu link. Head back to your account, navigate to Settings. Click on the custom menu links and you head over to Create New. You insert an icon to your app. You give it a title and you paste the custom menu link which you copied there. Choose a sidebar preference and you give an account. Then you give a role-based visibility and you click on Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch over to the account, search for the custom menu link, and the first interface of the app is going to pop up with the app that has not been connected or that has been connected. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect the app. Click on the Manage icon, and the second interface is going to pop up as well, where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is in. Here we have a smart queue video that is going to walk you through on how to set up your app. We have the setup feature here. The app has been connected. No worries. Let's walk you through on that. Click on Start Setup and you insert your email and click on Complete Setup. There you go. Your app has been successfully connected and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and as well schedule a call with the team. We have the change log where you're going to track all the updates and improvements to this specific app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you're good to go. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.